In this video, we are going to write a program to print the table of a given number. For example, if we enter 16, then it is going to print 16 times 1 equal to 16, 16 times 2 equal to 32, and so on. The steps involved would be, we will take the number from the user, the table number. Then we are going to do a repeat for 10 times, and then we are going to print the values. To start with, first we write our goal. This program is to print table for a given number. If the input is 16, for example, then the output would look something like table for number is, and then we are going to print 16 times 1 equal to 16, 16 times 2 equal to 32, and so on. 16 times 10 equal to 160. Now let us write the program. The first is we are going to get the number. So number equal to, we are going to print the whole number. It's going to be table of 16, 17, 20. So it's going to be int, and we have input, enter number, table number. We can call it table number. Next is we are going to count until 10. So it's going to be for index in range for 10. Then we are going to print the value. So here we are going to say print. We are going to say the number, that is the table number that will be printed cross, because we are going to count from 1 to 3, right? So it is going to be index, but the repeat or for loop in Python starts with 0, so we are going to make 1. So it is 16 times 1 equal to, and now here we are going to do print of the equation. So it's going to be table number multiplied by index plus 1. So here index plus 1 will be 1, 16. So it's going to print 16. When the second iteration will start, the index will be say 2. It is going to be 2. 16 times 2 is 32, and it's going to print it. And then finally we are going to close this. Let's run this. Enter the table number. We are going to say 16, and here we can see it is printed. We can run for any number. We can write for table for 23, and here we can see the output. Thank you.